Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update in Windows settings, and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and then you can click on resume updates. And if you see retry option, you can even retry and then check. If that does not work, you can pause and then resume updates and then check. Still not working, start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. And then find app readiness in services. And then make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, start, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy all these commands one by one. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it on the same window. And once the second scan is 100% complete, then run the third command, paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any update, you will see update now option or maybe install option. So you can install it and then restart your computer. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. Now this process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, when you go to update history, you will see Windows 11 version 24H2, and that will be a repair version. Once this is done, once you see this, now you can try to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can go to the Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see accept option, click on accept. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file over here. Put a check on ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once this is done, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow and then click on next, click on accept. You will see ready to install screen. Now by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.